Good day, everyone. I am Ricky Vincent B. Piñas, and I'm here to tackle about Albert Einstein and his contribution to our society. He revolutionized our understanding of the universe. He made significant contributions to physics, particularly with his theory of relativity. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. As a kid, as a child, Albert Einstein was um, very curious and enjoyed exploring the, the world. And he was very interested in science and math. The first one is, of course, the theory of special relativity. So it fundamentally changed how we perceive space and time. This theory also led to the famous equation, the E equals mc squared. So this equation demonstrate the relationship between the mass and energy. Also, the theory of general relativity. So it is just a um, extended principle of the special relativity to include gravity. The photoelectric effect. So it is a phenomenon in which when light shines on a metal surface, electrons are ejected from it. And it has affected many areas of modern physics and set the foundation for invention such as solar cells. So his theory of relativity changed how we understand space, time, and gravity, and how his equation, again, the EmC squared, laid the groundwork for nuclear energy and technology. Einstein's personal life showed that he was a curious, caring, and unique individual. He was not just focused on science, but also thought deeply about people and the society. So, to conclude, we explored the impact of Albert Einstein on science and society. We discussed his theories like theory of relativity, MC EMC squared. Again, I am Ricky Vincent B. Piñas, and I hope you learned something today, and may God bless us all. Thank you.